high. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do it is end month. I'm going to do our May shopping haul. As usual, you know, we usually do our shopping haul every month. So guys, so today I'm in Naivas supermarket. And today is on Monday. Yeah, so I'm getting our foodstuffs that will last us for 1 month. So as usual, if you are new, my name is Adija. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new, consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming and supporting my content every day. Yeah, so guys, yeah, it's our May monthly shopping. I'm not going to get a lot of huge monthly shopping haul, but I will take everything that will last me for 1 month because kids are going back to school. And guys, I'm going to be left with my toddler, my hubby, and yeah, me. We are just 3 in the house, so whatever I'm going to get is going to last us for 1 month, you guys. Here I love to shop Naivas because everything is just affordable prices, guys. Here, so remember to subscribe. I've reached at home. I want to show you what is in that rag there. So that is what I got. So I will just arrange it in my countertops, and then I'm going to share with you what I got, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to share with you what I got, guys, and that is what I got. As you can see, I got a hajab unga for chapati, 3 pieces, and then I got jogoo for ugali, and then I got ndengu, I got cortex, I got 10 pieces of smoky, and then I got beef brown, just 1 pack. Yeah, and then I got Ken salt, 1 kg, and then I got coconut cream, I think 5 pieces, and then I got that meat. It was around 1200. Then I got mala sweetener. I got tomato paste, guys. I got 2 liters of cooking oil Avena because I still have like 3 liters. And then I got cowboy, I got ghee, and then I got that cooking cream. Yes, I got that ghee, guys. I love that Brookside brand. And then I got muffins, I got a Naivas bread, I got a tomato paste. Yes, guys, and then I got habanero chilies as usual. Then I got kiwi, it's back to school. And then I got those batteries for my daughter for a torch at school. And then I got a menengai 1 piece, we still have more. And then I got that all service cleaner for cleaning everywhere, you guys, disinfecting. And then I got Axe. I love Axe. This time round I went with the blue color. I just love the smell, guys, and it does wonders in the toilet. So guys, that is what I got for our May monthly shopping haul. It's a lot that will take me for 1 month, guys. Yeah, so that is what I got. It was around a budget of 8,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah, in Naivas. And then I got that Sunrise Basmati 5 kgs. As usual, those who follow me, they know that is my rice brand. Yeah, that is what I got. Hope you have enjoyed, and if you are new, consider subscribing, give this video a like, leave a positive comment, and to tell me what you think about our monthly shopping all every month, you guys. Yeah, so everything was affordable. I think Naivas, it accommodates every Kenyan, every common Kenyan, ya mwananchi wa kawaida. So don't just fear to shop Naivas. It fits everyone, you guys. Yeah, they usually have offers on Friday, but this time around I couldn't wait on Friday because we didn't have any shopping in the house, guys. This time around, you have noticed I haven't bought sugar, you guys. I have like 7 kgs of sugar in the house. You know, when I used to go shopping, my nanny didn't tell me whether we have sugar, and later on I left when I've boiled beans. Yeah, so I would left them cooling so that I can put them in the freezer. And then I got green vegetables, that is saga, managu and terere. Those are in Kenya, they know what I'm saying. Yeah, so I've packed them. I want to put them in the freezer, guys. Here, as usual, I can't stay. I usually batch cook cereals every week, so I usually have like for a whole week. That one is enough for us, so I'm just deep freezing them to stay there. We love beans because when we have chapati, we love beans. My kids love spaghetti with beans. Yes, and later on, that is what I got from the market. Yeah, you can see that is where I usually store like vegetables, tomatoes, oranges, bananas, and those vegetables, because we are not going to cook them today. And then viazi over there. And now I want to arrange everything in those in my kitchen, so I'm putting lids, the glass lids, to their specific area. Yeah, those stuffs which I'd cleaned, I'm just putting them in their clinic area. So if you're new in this channel, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3. Does content basically homemaking, anything to do with homemaking around my home. This is where I usually get the best videos here, guys. And later we decided to arrange the food to their respective areas. Yeah, so that the countertops can be clean and clear. Yeah, so that is where I usually store my foodstuffs, in my cabinets, you guys, kitchen cabinets, guys. Yeah, so I'm arranging everything in its place so that the kitchen can look clean and well arranged. That is how I usually put everything. Yeah, so that is my daughter who is helping me, you guys. Yeah, she has been helping me since we doesn't have a nanny. Yeah, I've never even decided to look for a nanny, guys. And then now we are putting the fridge ones, that is sweeteners, cooking cream, habanero, those stuffs that belongs to the fridge. I'm putting them there. So up to this far, hope you're enjoying this vlog. And later on, I really cooked healthy, delicious meals. So that is meat. I'm going to boil the meat. Yeah, and for today I'm going to boil the meat using air fryer, not air fryer, sorry, pressure cooker, electric one. Yeah, so I'm just going to boil it in that 5 minutes and everything will be okay, and then I will get into cooking. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Give this video a like. Tell me what you think about my cozy vlog. Yeah, that is how this day vlog was. So today we are going to have meat, chapati, and some beans, coconut beans. So stay tuned, no more talking, just see what I did.
Keeping closed, beating, hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, My walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're
So guys, that is what we served that day. We served chapati, beans, meat and pilau, you guys, for dinner. So hope you have enjoyed to this far. Remember to subscribe, give this video a like. Till the next one, bye.